How to fix R2 on PS4 controller on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate on how to resolve R2 button issues on your PlayStation 4 controller while playing Roblox. Follow along as I guide you through the simple process. When the R2 button malfunctions, it hinders your ability to perform actions like attacking in games such as Roblox. To address this, access the settings on your PlayStation 4 console, navigate to Accessibility, then Button Assignments, and enable the custom button assignments to reassign the R2 function to another button like R1. By making this adjustment, you can continue gaming seamlessly. If all the buttons are already in use, consider using a different controller with functional triggers. This should resolve the issue. So this was all about how to fix R2 on PS4 controller on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.